Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color children on the swings. Let's start drawing. First, I'm going to draw a girl. Her eyes, nose, mouth, her face. I draw her hair and I also draw 2 braids. And then her body. Draw a nice dress for her. Draw a heart on her shirt. She is holding her arms like this. Then her legs and shoes. Now I draw the seat of the swing under her while she is sitting on the swings and she holds the ropes. Amazing! Now let's draw a little boy next to her. We draw his face and his short hair. And then his body. He holds his arms the same way the girl does. He is wearing his t-shirt. Now draw a car on his shirt. Then draw the rest of his body. I draw his legs and shoes. Now let's draw the seat of the swing under him too. Finally, I draw the rest of the swing very quickly, like this. And the floor with grass. I love swinging, do you? Amazing! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I colored the girl with cream for her skin. Red. I color her hair with light brown. Pink. For her outfit, I use red. Orange. Purple. And pink. Now we are going to color the boy. I use cream for his skin. Light red for his mouth, black for his hair. For his outfit, I use yellow, green, light blue, and his pants blue. And finally, aquamarine. For the swing, I use the rainbow colors. I start with the color red here, like this. Then I use orange, yellow, dark green, light blue, finally, I colored the grass green. And add some light blue in the background. Fantastic! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.